First, coming to the introduction of pharmaceutical industry, what are the basic objectives of pharmaceutical industry? Basic objectives of pharmaceutical industry is invention, discovery, development, manufacturing, and marketing of the medicaments or pharmaceuticals for a specific therapeutic pharmacological function by the correspondence with the regulatory agencies. So here I have highlighted what things I have highlighted here. I, D, D, M, M. These five are Panchatantra for any pharma industry. I, invention, D, discovery, and D, development, M, manufacturing, and M, marketing. So the main objective is this only, that pharmaceutical should contain specific pharmacological activity. Specific pharmacological activity means, for example, a patient is suffering from fever. So what you have to administer are antipyretic. Antipyretic you have to use. So specific function means you are taking some paracetamol tablet, some XYZ tablet, antipyretic tablet. So it is reducing the temperature. So that is the specific action, specific therapeutic action. So it should not be missed. So that medicament or pharmaceutical shall be approved by authorized regulatory body. Okay, that is also must. In other way, this is the one side of the coin. In other way, for completion of these pharmaceuticals or medicaments we are using for coming into the market, how much struggle we have to do. What are the things we have to invest? 5 things we have to invest again: knowledge, patience, currency, time, and confidentiality. This is also 5 Panchatantra, which are to be inbuilt quality of any pharmaceutical scientist. Knowledge. A lot of knowledge is required. Lot of knowledge is required out of, it is coming out of your whatever your qualifications, like B.pharmacy, M.Sc, whatever you have studied. Theoretical knowledge is to be applied in a practical approach. Patience. This is, pharma industry is the most regulated field in the world. There is no doubt in that. I'm proud to say that I'm working in a pharmaceutical industry, because these many regulations you will not find anywhere. That many regulations are there. So one pharmaceutical person should be a Mr. Perfect in all aspects. In all aspects. So patience. Coming to the patience, activity initiation, activity completion. So in this process, initiation, completion, in this intermediate, so many steps are there. Each and every step you have to overview, you have to go in depth, micro level examination, micro level identification, micro level observation is required. So in this perspective view, I'm telling a patience, a lot of patience is required. And currency. For new drug applications and INDs and C-1 molecules, organization investing some crores and crores of money. So they keep on developing 10 years, 12 years, 15 years, 20 years, like that. Of course, and time also. 15 years time is not an easy thing for any industry. They will not get any return. They keep on investing on particular product. Then again, confidentiality. Confidentiality means, see, some X organization is developing some product, that is NDA product, new drug application. So that scientist should work, the brain should be, this is called pharmaceutical professional ethics. We can say, we can call it as a professional ethic. As a pharmaceutical industry person, you should not disclose any drug related this NDA related topics to anyone. So that much confidential you should be. For example, you are working in 5 years. In that 5 years tenure, you should be very, very confidential, particular your job role and what you're doing, what kind of research you're working. So these are and all very, very important for any pharmaceutical scientist. Okay.